We're here at Hallville Road in Exeter, Rhode Island, looking at a fixer-upper. It's priced at $237,500, 3-bed, 1-bath ranch. Let's go check it out. So we walk in the front door here. Again, huge fixer-upper. Fireplace straight ahead. Looks like a raised living room over here. 1 bedroom over here. And then living room over here. Obviously, this is a full gut renovation or probably a tear down. We're on 1.17 acres here, which in Exeter, Rhode Island is pretty good. A lot of land in Exeter. Here we're in another bedroom. The bedrooms are decent size. There's 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. There is a 2-car garage that I'll show you. And so over here is the kitchen, or was the kitchen. Full bathroom here. And actually a good size garage in here. Again, definitely 2-car. Walking in from the garage, you have your full bath. And then you have your kitchen. 1 bedroom on your left, bedroom on your right. And I guess perhaps this was a bedroom then, because then you have your living room straight ahead. Old fireplace here as well. Brick is actually in good shape. Slider out to the back here. From the outside, this is what you're looking at. And it is located on a pond, which is nice. So over here you got a view of the water, good sized side yard, and then actually a good backyard here. Here we are walking through the backyard, pond behind me, coming through the side yard into the backyard. There is access to the basement here, an old bulkhead that is no longer attached. Basement is full of water, so not surprising there, but you actually do have some good land here. It is pretty relatively flat, which is nice. So it's a good sized piece of land. Definitely has potential for builder, contractor, somebody who could, like I said, either tear it down or, fully renovate the entire thing. Again, over an acre of land, right on the water, being a pond. But that's 213 Hallville Road here in Exeter, priced at $237,500. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to buy a property this year and you don't have an agent, my name is Neilan with Coldwell Banker. Feel free to reach out anytime. I'd be more than happy to assist you.